my name is Alexis. I'm 26. I'm a full-time reseller on Poshmark, not so much Facebook Marketplace, Mercari, ThredUP, and I sell to buy, sell, trade stores. And today I'll be unboxing a 25-piece mixed women's ThredUP rescue box. That's my favorite rescue box. I thought these boxes couldn't get any better. They just prove me wrong every time. This is exactly why the Pennsylvania warehouse is top tier, everyone. I was blown away. Blown away. I wasn't gonna make a video. I say that every time. I wasn't gonna make a video because I was like, I'm about to leave for Christmas vacation, but this was insane. My roommate was here while I was unboxing and I was like, this is probably like the best boxes I've ever gotten. So I'll do this unboxing and then I'll unbox the other one. It's right there. So I already unboxed these. Absolutely amazing. So you're gonna wanna stick around and see what I got. I'll put the link to the other one in the description or the comments when I have it uploaded. And here we go, let's get into it. First, remember I told y'all I always get Lululemon, and Pennsylvania warehouse did not disappoint. So I got this Lululemon forest green puffer jacket. I've never gotten a puffer jacket from them, but do you guys know how much these retail for? Like, ThredUP. Are you watching my videos? Because this is crazy. I need to see what size this is. Normally it's like in the left pocket or something. I don't know. I don't see a size in this, but I'll probably look for it somewhere else, but this will probably like pay for the whole box and more, for sure. Okay, that was crazy. Tahari. Red, like crushed velvet blazer, size, I don't know, size 2. And it has these really cool vintage looking buttons, not missing any buttons. Great. Also, sorry if I'm like looking this way. It's because I need to just buy a camera instead of using my phone, but it is what it is. Okay, this just blew me away. This is New Tags Farm from Anthropologie. Mind you, the cost of goods for all of these things is $2. Okay, this box was $65.99. That's shipping, tax, everything. Okay, this dress goes for $230. Is it broken? No, it's not. Like, this is crazy. This is size small. Okay, just casually an Anthropologie dress. RLX Ralph Lauren, size small. This is like a crazy, it feels so quality puffer vest. Has some lint, but it has leather on it. And this is like heavy duty leather. Holy cow. This is like a Ralph Lauren biker jacket. I don't know. That is so cool. We have J. Crew size 4, some fun, oh, I thought these were shorts. A fun pattern skirt. That's a really cool color. Lululemon again. Has a size tag, size 4 regular. And these are full length flare. Crazy, I'm telling y'all. I am telling y'all. Patagonia, size 6 dress. I didn't even know Patagonia made dresses. Like, what? Okay, this is, I believe this is linen. Cool. Kate Spade. This says, look for the silver lining, size small. This like crocheted knitted dress, I don't know. I'm sorry. Kate Spade. I told y'all, the designer boxes are a scam. They're a scam. Come on, ThredUP. Okay. This is Anthropologie I don't know what that says. But medium, Anthropologie, turtleneck? Okay, great. Madewell, size small. Madewell, like shirts and stuff, don't do that great for me. The jeans on the other hand. This looks like men's maybe, or just an oversized women's small. I forget which way like the buttons go to tell if it's men or women's. Pretty sure this is women's. Cute. Everlane dress, okay, size 14. White, super cute. Like I can just imagine this in the spring or summer. The cute bag, has pockets, like there's no stains or rips on this. Killing it. There's more, there's more. Calvin Klein jeans, jacket, size medium, cotton. Okay, dark wash Calvin Klein jacket, cool. And the matching size 7 jeans. This is a denim set. Like, when has ThredUP ever sent a set like this? I'm sorry, this is a Calvin Klein jeans dark wash denim set, and it's not like a size 0. No offense if you're size 0, that's fine. It's just hard to sell those sizes. Okay, Athleta, large dress. Okay, cool. Athleta dresses actually sell pretty well. Joie or Joey medium shirt, feels like silk, possibly is. This brand is really good for me on ThredUP and buy sell trade stores. Yep, it's silk. This is just mind-blowing to me. There's more. Bailey 44 small dress. I've never gotten this brand before, but the quality feels great. It has this like leather. I don't know if it's real leather. I don't know this brand. So in the comments, let me know if you've gotten this, how it does for you. Cold shoulder. Some frame denim. Awesome, size 27. Jeans, like rips in the knees. Amazing. Diane von Furstenberg silk skirt. This is not the cutest skirt she's made, but I'm sorry, what? I paid $2 for this. Are you guys seeing this? Like, am I alone? This is crazy. It's still going. There's 25 pieces in here. Karl Lagerfield blazer. Okay, Nordstrom. Like, holy cow. And this is, feels like a large or medium. I don't know. It says P, so it's petite, but so cool. Still going. Eileen Fisher skirt, medium. I'm telling y'all, these boxes are better than the designer boxes. Rebecca Taylor. Okay. Another Joie tank dress. Size large. Still going. Yumi Kim blazer. And it has this cool zipper detail in the back to the front. Okay. Everlane, another Everlane rain jacket? Like, come on. What size is this? This is amazing. Size small. This is like a rain jacket trench. Okay. we're still going. Okay, this is new to me brand Brock. Call it, I can't read the whole thing, but that's a Rent the Runway tag. Rent the Runway rental retirees who box? Exactly, get the 25-piece box. Like, are you kidding me? And the difference is there's no rips in this one. And I didn't pay $20 for it. I paid $2. This is just mind-blowing. Mind-blowing. What brand is Brock collection? Whoa. And the last thing from this one, Wilfred, medium. That, I believe Wilfred is sold at Aritzia. I sold a Wilfred sweater before, just one, and this has like a slit on one side. It feels very interesting. What is this material? Rayon and nylon. Okay, anyway, that was just a crazy box for me. The other one is equally as crazy. Let me know what you guys thought. Holy cannoli, I am so impressed. Thank you, ThredUP Pennsylvania Warehouse. Keep up the good work. You have your well-deserved title of Best ThredUP Warehouse. Your employees are great. They deserve a raise. Whoever packs these boxes, you're the bomb. Tell me what your favorite piece was. Tell me what you guys got in your boxes. I would love to see what you guys have gotten. If your boxes are equally as good, I don't know if it's just the luck that I have, but I feel like I rarely get a bad box when I order the 25-piece women's. Like I said, it's my favorite. If you like this video, like, comment, subscribe. It's free to do those things. Anyway, see you in my next video.